Hey guys, what's happening? How to publish your Base44 app. Okay, to publish a Base44 app on the App Store, you must first convert the web app into a native build using a third-party service like App My Web, right here. App My Web or App My Site in a paid Apple developer account. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just go ahead and hit publish, and you're gonna see a generated domain. Just copy the domain after you publish the app and go to my app, my web, and create a new app. You're gonna name the app, which is Beacon, and add the link to the website, and choose the layout template: drawer, bar, tabs bar, or blank. Hit continue, and you're gonna see how your app will look like. So hit run preview, okay? And it says the best way to test your application is to create the first build, okay? Hit I understand. Make sure to add your app ID, the system, admin email, all that stuff. And you're gonna see how your app would look like on Android and also on iOS. And you're gonna hit save changes and basically fill out any necessary prompts to your app so you can basically publish it or take the iOS file or to your Google, not Google, to your Apple Store paid account or your Android. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.